This is Navy Sun from Sun Landscaping Limited. Okay, today we were showing the finished job. Before we already take the picture, take the video. Now we already finished. See, nicely interlocking. We cut the asphalt, the edge, and extended the driveway. And then the people from the street coming in here. Very, very nice, this area, okay? And then the owner is very happy. So this area before is the corner. We put the stone here. They will put the flower pot here. It's a flower. This is for flower pots for decoration. This is the concrete porch to finish. Clean, very clean, and a nicely stone. We will put the iron railing here, here, and go this way. It's a specialized for this one. This one, before it's the concrete under the door. Now we cut the concrete and then we insert under the door, insert a natural stone, flex stone underneath. That is the special. So, and right here, people come to the home and it goes down here. This one is nicely standard current door like. See, now it's a flower and a very, very sweet, very sweet. This ball will be this bigger in the future and the color. Okay, so come to here. So this is the original stone, the rock we stay here. Behind the rock, we planting the Japanese maple, red color. Japanese maple, very famous and the shining color. This tree before its location is right here because we already moved 2 feet to outside. Eventually this tree will be like this wider. Here, see, we have a walkway. So if we not move the tree will be like this bigger. In the future, once it grow bigger, it's block the walkway. Now see, the walkway and the stepping stone, very comfortable. After 10 years, 20 years, the tree stay there, not bother this walkway, okay? And then for the design, see, this is the underlay summer hydrangea with the blue color. See, this is the blue color. It's will be this taller and blooming all the flower ball like this bigger. And right here is original. We're digging out original. Before we change the garden, right? We have they have original the flower. We put it back. So surround this big rock will be blooming flower nicely. Okay, I need a very, very, very specially say for the engineering. Once you do the landscaping, you cannot change the grading. You cannot after do the landscaping and then the water leaking the house or damage the wall. No, so very important. So see, this is a concrete wall. The foundation wall is waterproof. You have to leave the concrete wall above the ground 6 inch. That is under the building code. If even the ground in the future, the winter time, the snow, the ice, maybe this high, right? Or maybe this high. And then after the snow melt, the ice melt, the water goes inside the house. The concrete wall is waterproof. So you must above the ground 6 inch here. Okay, so that is really, really important. It's same thing here. This is a foundation wall. You have to leave above the ground 6 inch minimum. Okay, and from here, see, this is the walkway nicely, like a flagstone walkway. People relax walking here, and we're with the nicely small size river rock. It's a colorful river rock. And the separate the grass and the river rock, we put the curb here to separate the grass. Do you know this curb? This curb is 8 inch thick, 8 inch deeps. So right inside the ground, like this deeps. So the grass never come to here, never. Now let's see here. The owner, the house owner, want to enjoy the backyard. They come to here, very comfortable from the walkway till goes to the backyard. Okay, see? Oh my gosh, that's my backyard. So big, so beautiful. Come on, I want to run into the backyard. See, very comfortable stepping stone. And here, because it has a big air condition, so you cannot go straight. So turning nicely curved from here to here. And then you can see the back. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. See all the trees there. Before the ugly ground, all the weeds, the grass now, so we change it to the green, totally green, nicely. Do you know what's this? This is a sprinkler system, irrigation. That has a water head here. Once the turning on, automatic, the head goes up, watering the grass. Beautiful, the grass. You see the neighbor grass, little yellow. Here is totally green. Okay, come and follow me to see inside. I really want to see the backyard. I really want to see the backyard. Oh my gosh, it has a fountain. Oh, has a patio. Beautiful. It's totally different than before. Before is the ugly grass and the construction site, dusty, dirty. Now, let me imagine here. Put a table here, and the whole family right in front of the patio door. The table here, we're eating, we chat, whatever we can entertain here. And I think the owner, the woman, the lady, she's cooking here. See, this is a natural gas line. Put the barbecue here, they can barbecue. And hey, do you want to eat the steak? Do you want to eat the fish? This is the eating table. Okay, and right here, oh, here has a garden hose. See, before I say this one, this pipe is the sprinkler system. The pipe goes underground to there for the irrigation. After a moment, I show you. This is nicely curved, the circle steps. Nicely comfortable and a big landing. Homeowner from this one stand here, and they have two kids. Hey kids, you cannot do that way. You cannot do this way. The owner will be stay here. Look like a king. And come to here, big area here. They put the sofa on, put the gazebo here. The family enjoy here. See, last time I said the flower board. This is Annabelle hydrangea. The big flower boards coming, see? Just only 1 week. Now it's coming soon, right? And this is, before I talk, this is a Unimus. The Unimus is evergreen. They stay here, and then the Unimus little climbing on to here. This is evergreen. The wall, like the big area, all climb up, maximum this size. Come to here. Oh, nicely hydrangea tree, hydrangea flower, and the ferns here, and annual flower here. The flower is taken from the original garden. This is, before I talk, that is the spruce. The spruce, after 3 or 4 years, the branch come to here. This area, all this spruce, and the cover this area is privacy, this area. And before I say this is a peony, the peony after next year, this bigger, and with the bigger flower peony. Okay, nice, straight, nice, taller. This is a column English oak. After 5 years, this wider, maximum this wider forever. And straight up, 3 times taller. To cover this, the backyard, it's privacy, because that house, the upstairs, people can stay in the upstairs to see the backyard. No, after a couple years, you won't see anything. Nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. nicely rock. And see, this is the electrical system. This electric system, after sunset, all the lighting will be on. Okay, so this is a peony tree here. Oh, see, nicely. This is a water fountain, natural water fountain, see? Like this. If we want to make nicely, we can do like this. You can do this. See? Also, you can take off this piece, see? The water is more shining. The cover, nice, smooth goes down. Okay? So after a moment, I show you behind has something hiding here. The electrical, the pump from the goes down and to this way. To right away to connect here, the electrical, we install it. So before I say for the engineering, this is a drainage way. You cannot change. You can. So the water still from this ditch goes down, 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 down to here. So this is a spruce. This spruce we're planting very high because before here is the big lower area. The water stay here. Now the water come to here, follow this flower bed, the edge. The water goes to that way. Never kill this tree. And before I say here, see, this is a stone retaining wall. This is the statue concrete pad. See? Okay, we already to the corner of the garden. Comes to here, this is armor rock, nicely curved and then make the different level in the ground. See, this is the original ground. We raised up here. Here is a concrete pad. It will be has a statue here, or the thinner, or Venus, whatever the statue here, sitting here. And the surround the front has an evergreen boxwood front. And behind the statue has a red royal red maple. It will be this bigger, and the statue hiding under the bigger tree. This is the fern digging from the original garden we reuse. Oh, let's see what's this. This is a sprinkler system. So once the automatic turning, this head will be goes up and the water, like an umbrella water. But we specialize, we put the T-bar here. See, this is the line. This line is specialized to watering that tree. See, this is the sprinkler specialized head. So once turning on, here is just only watering one tree here, only. And the one line is come to here to, okay, see, to watering this tree. See, this tree, we need a special water, stay here. Just only watering this tree. Why watering this tree only? Because here's lower city sewer drainage. So any water go, you're watering here, the water go. And then this tree may be dry, no water. So specialized to feed this tree. So from here, two flexible pipe to feed the big two trees, very expensive tree. And this is the cedar. It's a black cedar, will be very taller and this wider, evergreen, digging from the original garden. This one, this is by law, you cannot change. You cannot cover, you cannot bury it. And also you have to leave that way, all the water come to here. You cannot block. And some dirty goes inside, maybe you always need to clean the server. So that's why we surround these big holes very deep. We put a river rock, nice river rock, to filter water, some dirty water, whatever, so come to here to filter it. So this is nice stone, and then for the landscaping. See, this flag. This is the sprinkler system. The pipes underground is right very deep here. After turning on the water, the sprinkler head, it will be grow like a 6-inch high, like this. And then the water, like a circle, like a 360 degrees the water, like this way, to watering that way, everywhere. Okay, so let's specialize to see the fountain. Come on. See, the pumpers work. You can see here. Oh, I know what's the problem. So this one, you can hear, okay? See, I pushed down this.
Yeah.
Because the inside it's not straight. See, I push a little bit. See, I push a little bit, the bubble goes down.
Okay.
And then I raise up.
So it has to be.
No, so yeah, I raise up. The bubbles goes that way, and then the floating goes up. So now figure out, okay? So this one.
This in the winter, I just take it out.
In the winter, doesn't matter. You can leave the pump. No, you leave the pump inside. But if you're scary, you can take out.
Yeah, but water is okay there, or have to empty the water?
Freezing. Doesn't matter. Never crack.
Nothing happens to it?
Yeah.
In the tank, and this doesn't happen, no cracks?
Yeah, no crack.
Okay.
This is for the. Oh, this one is too longer. Let's just leave the outside look like ugly. Hey, Kenan, how are you?
Good, how are you, Navy?
Okay, now you can enjoy the backyard, right?
Of course, every day.
Totally changed, right?
Yes, you guys did a phenomenal job, very professional, very nicely designed. Everything works well together.
Thank you.
Can't wait to spend a lot of summer times here.
Yeah, your wife and your kids love it.
Everybody loves it, yeah. I'm just gonna keep them off the grass for now.
Yeah, for sure.
Goes, and then that's it.
Yeah, I think you kids want to roll on the ground, right?
Oh, it's so clean.
When you put the chair, when you put the barbecue and the umbrella here.
Barbecue's gonna sit right here.
Okay.
The umbrella is gonna be right here. Dining table is there, and then
beautiful
room for socializing.
Yeah.
Can't wait.
Beautiful. Can't wait.
Yeah, can't wait.
Nice. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you.